So, good evening, everyone. So, it's Kalishwari, Assistant Professor from Department of Management, Krishna Jayanti University. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss about the market structures and different types of market structure and price determination under different market structures. So, for today, we are going to discuss about what is market structure, and what are the types of market structure, and what are the features of one particular market structure, that is perfect competition, and how price is determined under perfect competition. This is what the entire video is going to cover about. So market is a place where buyers and sellers meet, or where purchase and sales happen. On the basis of competition, different market structures are decided. And as per the competition in the market, there are four different types of market structures, that is perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic, and oligopoly. So market structure refers to the different categories and number of firms in the market operating under a particular industry. So one of the important market structure what we are going to discuss today is about perfect competition. So perfect competition has three important and basic features that can be defined it as a perfect competition market. That is nothing but the markets which have large number of buyers and sellers with homogeneous product and with a condition of free entry and exit. And apart from these three important basic things, there are six important features for a perfect competition market. That is large number of buyers and sellers, homogeneous product, free entry and exit, perfect knowledge, perfect nobility, and demand curve is always parallel to the x-axis. And to detailedly discuss about the features of perfect competition, large number of buyers and sellers, that means this market has n number of buyers and n number of sellers, which is a unique feature for this perfect competition market. So homogeneous product is they sell similar kind of product in the market, which means there are more substitutes available in the market. And they sell the identical products with different color, size, and design. That's all. But there are products which are homogeneous in nature. Free entry and exit are, which means any time a industry, that is any time a firm can enter the market and any time a firm can exit the market, there are no strict regulations to participate in the market structure of perfect competition. And perfect knowledge is that all the buyers and sellers have a thorough knowledge about the price prevailing in the market, which is one of the unique features of our perfect competition. And perfect nobility is there is a perfect nobility of goods and factors without any hindrance, that there is no hindrance in between the price or the goods available in the market. And why always the demand curve is parallel to the x-axis is that the demand curve is perfectly inelastic. Inelastic in the nature, this price is constant throughout the market, which makes the demand of that particular commodity to be inelastic and constant throughout the market. So to decide about the price determination under perfect competition, we have to discuss about three important things, which is must for any of the markets to decide its price. That is total revenue and their average revenue and their marginal revenue. So to be discussing about the price determination, so the market price of a commodity is determined by the equilibrium. So for a perfect competition, a market price for the commodity is decided based on the equilibrium. So equilibrium is between the demand and supply, where the market meets the needs of the customer. The intersection point is the point which the market hits the position called equilibrium. So the price is fixed by the industry and no individuals can fix the price influencing in the market. So when the industry fixes the price, and it has to be accepted by all the individual firms, and the price is influenced by the industry only with the basis of equilibrium condition where the demand meets its supply. So for this, to understand in a better way, we are going to discuss it with the help of the diagrams. So for a perfect competition and for the attaining of price determination, we are to discuss about the industry as well as the firm, which means industry fixes the price and firm is the taker, price taker. So for a firm to take its price, the diagram which will be in the form of an equilibrium deciding its equilibrium level, the point at which the industry meets the equilibrium, the intersection point, equilibrium, is the area where the industry fixes the price for the market, which means when your demand is equal to your supply, at that level, the price is fixed. To be in a more understandable way, when we take into an account of price of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 2, 4, 8, 6, 10, and demand of 100 and 80, 60, 40, and 20. And similarly, its supply 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. So, to decide a price in the industry based on these three things, price, demand, and supply, for this market structure, the price is determined where the demand is equal to its supply. So at this point, demand is equal to supply at rupees 8. So the firms will follow the price which is fixed by the industry where the intersection point happens, and the same price will be followed entirely in the market. So to understand this, we are going to focus on the next diagram of the firm, how a firm fixes the price. So for that, if a firm is fixing the price, the firm's diagram will be that is, the price will be parallel to the x-axis. The price will be parallel to the x-axis where your AR and your MR are similar under the perfect competition. So this is one price structure where which is one of the easiest market structure where we can easily understand how the price is fixed and how the price is taken. So with the help of this, we can understand the uh, price determination under the perfect competition. Apart from that, TR and AR and MR curve in the perfect competition is discussed in this particular diagram. That is AR, average revenue and marginal revenue. In perfect competition, a firm is a price taker and it must sell its goods at the market price. Since the price is constant and the revenue from each of the additional unit is same, there becomes AR is equal to MR and MR is equal to the price. And when AR and MR curves are horizontal lines at the level of market price, so since each additional unit is to be sold with the same level of prices, so the AR and MR curve will be equal to each other and price will be equal to AR and MR. So when it comes to the total revenue, it is calculated based on the price into quantity. So since the price is constant and TR increases proportionally with the sale of each unit, so TR curve is a straight line starting from the origin. So this is the TR curve. So it starts from 0 and ends, keep on increasing until it attains the highest level of profit maximization. So this is what we wanted to understand under perfect competition. So we will be discussing about the upcoming market structures in the next video. Thank you.